Hello guys, welcome to Basics of Manual Testing. In the last video we saw the test cases for save button, and I have added one more test case, that is test to check the functionality of save button with no data in both mandatory and non-mandatory fields. That is, all the fields should be left empty and submit and save button should be clicked. So the expected result should not save the details, and a pop-up should be displayed asking the user to enter company name, phone number and city, because these are the mandatory fields. So okay guys, that was it. And one more test case you can add here is one more actually test you can do here is you are not entering any details here in this test case, and when you click on save button, there are the what should I say, the pop-up is actually displays three messages, that is enter company name and enter phone number and enter city. So go ahead and enter company name, just enter company name and click on save button. If you click on save button there, then this pop-up should display two messages now, that is enter phone number and enter city, because at times what happens, first we had three messages displayed in a pop-up, right? So sometimes what happens, if you give company name and if you click on save button, some validations might get lost. So this phone number might not be displayed on the pop-up, or the city might not be displayed on the pop-up. So that is also one good check. So these are the test cases. So if you have any more test cases for these, and just write it in comments. I'll be glad. I'll be happy that you are writing test cases on your own. Actually, writing test cases is not a tough job, it's easy. And the next scenario was verify the edit process. So the test case for editing process would be verify the editing process by editing only the mandatory fields. Verify the editing process by editing by editing only the mandatory fields. So first step would be click on select link. So when clicked on select link, the details will be displayed in respective fields. So edit mandatory fields, third click on save. Input values, again this you can give input values for mandatory fields here, and expected result is should edit the details and display in the grid. Okay, so the next test case would be verify the editing process by editing. Yes, you have guessed right, by editing only the non-mandatory fields. So the first step would be click on select link and edit non-mandatory fields and click on save again. Edit non-mandatory fields and click on save and write input values for non-mandatory fields in this box. Should edit the details and display in the grid. Okay, should display in the grid. And the third one would be editing both mandatory and non-mandatory fields. So the first step, click on select link, edit mandatory fields, edit non-mandatory fields, and click on save. Should edit the details and display in the grid will be the expected result. These are the 3 test cases. And what else? We can actually select the functionality of select link here. We can actually verify the functionality of select link here, that is, check that all the values are displayed in respective fields. So that is, when clicked on select button, the company name should be displayed in company name text box, the URL or the website should be displayed in website, and phone number should be displayed in phone number, so and so on. So this is that testing that thing. Expected result is should display values in respective or corresponding fields. Respective fields. And what else? We can also write one more test case here, that is verifying the editing process not editing any field. That is, select button is clicked, all the details are displayed in the respective fields, and we are clicking on save button. We are not editing any details, we are directly clicking on save button. So should edit and details should be saved, actually. Should be saved. So these are the test cases for edit button. So in the next videos I'll explain test cases about delete process. These are the test cases for edit process. Sorry, I said edit button, edit process of organization details. In the next videos, we'll talk about verify this delete process test cases.